You may have seen Moi appearing in a lot of cameo roles on screen, and now she's taking the lead role as a solo artist.
This is my first residency as a solo artist, because I've done many other residencies, but as a collective or my arts collective.
Fresh from completing the Pātaka Aniva Arts Residency in Porirua, this is her final act.
This show is called Fetu Fetu, the Stars and Curses, and it's quite similar to my previous works, but I feel like this is a more honest, raw reflection of what my life has been like for the last 33 years. And it also, I try and embody what my Papawhenga ancestors would have been like if they were in this place and in this time. So there's a lot of witchy poo stuff and a lot of sexuality and rawness.
Born in Auckland, Moi's road to becoming an interdisciplinary artist was at times difficult, especially coming out as transgender.
I grew up with a strict Samoan family that went to an E Whakasa church, so it was basically Handi Wha Samoa. Yeah, it was just all of those values, and like, I think it was really clear that I was queer coming up, but I felt like they were trying to like just sweep that under the rug and didn't want to have the conversations about it. As I've gotten older, I've learned to kind of forgive my family, because I see how hard it is, and you know, as islanders, some things you don't talk about, and we kind of want to change that narrative these days and talk about it more and have proper talanoas in a safe way.
Because of her past experience, helping transgender youth is a passion. She's become a mentor or a mother for the House of Coven on the ballroom scene.
Some kids that are still questioning, and just kind of help them navigate the world and have conversations with their families about like the important things of how to like accept their kids, basically.
With all the wealth and motherly experience, Moi's advice for those aspiring young artists:
Always pay tribute to those that have come before you, but also tell your own story, because your story is unique, and all the messy complexities you have is all worth it.
Now the residency is completed, Moi is looking forward to what is to come.
I'm looking at doing some more art, but I'm trying to transition more into the film world now. I want to direct and write my own stuff, say in the next 5 years, and try and create more pathways for our Pasifika queers to kind of come in and, yeah, work, take over the film industry and the art scene.